thinking of buying from VogueRove.com? The site looks trendy, the prices seem tempting, but is this a hidden gem or just another scammy fashion store? Let's take a closer look. Before we begin, quick disclaimer, this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Vogue Grove sells itself as a stylish, modern fashion store, but according to Malware Tips and Scam Advisor, things aren't looking great. Scam Advisor gives the site a low trust score mainly due to things like hidden ownership details, a short domain lifespan, and zero verified customer reviews. And let's be real, no real reviews and no clear contact information are red flags. So, is Vogue Grove legit? It's hard to say for sure, but based on the red flags, it might be better to skip this one. If you're looking for fashion on a budget, there are safer options out there with a better reputation. Have you tried ordering from Vogue Rove? Was it a hit or a total miss? Drop your experience in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more no BS reviews on online stores and viral products.